Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, we have to pull the release inside the car. It's just inside, right around your left knee on the driver's side. You need to release the secondary or safety release. Just kind of feel around for it. This one is right here. Squeeze up. I'm going to remove these two top nuts that hold on the appearance cover. They are 10 millimeter, so I'm using a 10 millimeter socket, ratchet, and extension. They should just thread off real easily. So there's our appearance cover. It's got some foam inside that's just for noise. Just keeps the noise down from the valve train. Here are your 4 coil packs, one for each cylinder. They're held into the valve cover with a 10 millimeter bolt, one for each. Push down on the lock and remove the connector. These can be brittle, sometimes they break. The lock does. This procedure will be the same for the other 3. Use a ratchet, extension, and 10 millimeter socket to remove this 10 millimeter bolt. Put this bolt aside. Now we need to move the coil. You might have to wiggle it because there is a seal in here, and just break it free. Once it's free, it should come right up. There's our coil pack. It does have some oil on it because our valve cover gasket has been leaking. Reinstall the coil. You'll line up the opening with the mounting bolt hole. Move the harness out of the way so it doesn't get pinched. It'll push right over the spark plug. Reinstall the bolt. Once it gets tight, I'm just going to stop. Put the connector back in. Now I can reinstall the plastic engine cover. Wiped it down with a rag to clean some of the dirt off of it, make it look a little nicer. Get it lined up over those studs. It'll sit right down. Reinstall the nuts. Actually, just do these hand tight. They don't need to be super tight. The job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.